Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Alibaba and Alibaba stock. It's been a while since I posted a video. I think it's been close to 5 weeks, maybe 6 weeks. Honestly, in that time, Alibaba stock has not done a whole lot. Of course, going back to late April, May, the stock was trending higher on few good news. But since then, it has returned a lot of the gains. Alibaba is trading somewhere around $73 stock, maybe 77. I can't remember. To be honest, I stopped. I don't watch it that closely on a day-to-day basis. But it's in the 70s, and honestly, we're just waiting for it to move higher, go above 80, and hold there. And eventually go up to 160. That's what a lot of folks are saying, where the stock will head up in the short term. Again, this video, I don't know. There's not much to talk about other than the fact that we have to wait. I know we've been patient. We've been patient for the last few years, and the only good thing I can say is that the stock is not going down any. It's not going down to a new level. I know it hit $66 a stock at some point this year, but no one is talking about it going any lower. And looks like all the bad news has already been taken account for. Not only that, I would say the company Alibaba, the company, they are pivoting, they're recharging, I think they have put a lot of the stuff behind them and they're looking to move forward. I've discussed many times what are some of the headwinds that Baba is facing, and if you are an investor in Alibaba, I'm sure you already know. But generally speaking, this stock, I don't see it going down any lower, below 66, 65, unless of course the tension between China and the West, especially the US, picks up. And that could happen, of course, if President Trump is re-elected. I don't know. I don't know what will happen. But right now, the biggest thing that China can do is help its economy. The consumption in China is low, and there doesn't seem to be any sign that it's going to pick up anytime soon. I was just looking at the numbers, the factory output numbers for the month of May, and for the month of June, I should say. No, for the month of May, and they are lower than the month of April. And April numbers were good, of course, but doesn't look like they were. It doesn't look like they were in a series. We thought like it was the start of a new trend, but doesn't look like it was the start of a new trend. Maybe it was. I don't know. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. But I will post the link in the comment section, the article I'm referring to, because I started following these three journalists from Reuters, and they focus mainly on China and China's economy, and usually they have really good reports. So rather than going to different newspapers, I'm just going to these guys and just checking what they're talking about. They're really on top of reports that are coming out of China. They keep an eye on the CPI. They keep an eye on the policy. They keep an eye on manufacturing numbers, exports numbers, imports number, and import number. Again, the import number is also weak, and that's linked to the consumption. It's the same themes. It's the same themes. Honestly, that's the same themes as last year, as 2 years ago. The only thing is the regulatory crackdown in China looks like that's behind us. But now we got the Chinese consumers not spending, and also tension between China and the West. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. No, I just wanted to make a video and just wanted to talk about this. Of course, I'm still holding. I was looking at Google Gemini, the Gen AI model that Google Mind made. Basically, I was looking at that and I was trying to figure out if we could have if it has any insights on when is the best time to buy a call option. Because I think with Baba, I'm already invested quite a bit, but you know that when it moves quite a bit. It would be nice to have some call options, you know, to move up. We make significant amount of gains. I'm thinking like right now. I think maybe the I think the stock could fall in the 60s, and if it does, if it's testing its previous lows, I think I'm gonna buy it. I think I'm gonna buy it. What Google Gemini told me was that, or taught me was that you should buy when, of course, when the volatility is low and the volume and open interest is high. For stock like Baba, I think on average its volatility is around 30%. The Google Gemini was saying anything less than 25% would be considered low, relatively low options. And in terms of volume, I think it said the contract volume of more than, I think it said 10,000. I took a snippet. I'll share the screen when I put this video. You can take a look. But overall, I think, as you know, price is king, stock price is king. So I think if it falls below 66, that's when I'll be buying some call options. And probably I'll make a video on that too. I think, honestly, not much to talk about. It's pretty boring and there's no dividend, nothing. As I said in the video a little bit earlier, I think Alibaba is turning things around. We need, we, even with the company the way it is, we just need few things to work for us, including Chinese consumers to come back to the market and start buying products like they used to pre-COVID. This is all. Until next time. Goodbye.